Hi everyone, my name is Dinithika APPUHAMY, student representative for the MSc in Aeronautical Engineering program at HKUST. So today I'm here to talk a little bit about my experience studying this program and also to tell you why I chose HKUST and this program specifically. So before we start, a little bit about myself. I'm originally from Sri Lanka and I did my undergraduate degree in Australia and my MSc in HKUST, obviously. And currently, I'm employed as a lecturer in a Sri Lankan state university. So when it comes to studying and working at universities, I have a little bit of an international outlook. So when it comes to aeronautical engineering, what's next? Despite the pandemic, aeronautical engineering will continue to be a highly relevant field because civil aviation has become an essential service to most of us. But obviously, aeronautical engineering is not just limited to civil aviation and the provision of that service. And while the industry might be having a bit of a tough time at the moment, the future certainly does look bright. So right now we are focused on more low emission, fuel efficient designs, whether it be through engine design optimization or structural modifications by incorporating more advanced aerospace composite materials. And micro-air vehicles is another area of research that's gaining a lot of attention at the moment. And obviously bringing back the supersonic commercial aircraft. Jet engine noise reduction is also gaining a bit of traction because of concerns with noise pollution. So there are a lot of advancements taking place in the field of aeronautical engineering at the moment. So why did I choose HKUST and the MSc program specifically? So I always knew I wanted to do an MSc in aeronautical engineering because I knew that having a postgraduate degree will be more beneficial than just having a bachelor's. So one of the key reasons for choosing HKUST is because it's a world-renowned university and it's one of the fastest growing universities in the world. And it's ranked 27th overall globally and 18th globally for engineering by QS World Rankings. So it's one of the best engineering schools out there. One of the other main reasons for choosing this program is because of the curriculum. So it's 30 credits and in my opinion, it's one of the most well-rounded programs for someone who is passionate about aeronautical engineering. And despite the range of extensive foundation topics like aerodynamics, propulsion, and fluid dynamics taught by some of the best professors that I have met, my favorite component was actually the individual research project. So it spans over the whole course and allows you to develop your research skills with access to world-class laboratories. And you're able to choose a topic and work closely with a faculty member who will supervise your project. And as someone who is in academia right now, this research experience was truly beneficial for me. Another special fact about this course is that you can select electives taught by some of the most knowledgeable aviation experts in Hong Kong. So from Hong Kong International Airport to Hazel to Cathay Pacific and more. And you will learn about various topics related to aviation, such as accident response management, aviation security, engine overhaul and certification. So I don't think you can get such a thorough, in-depth view into the aviation industry as a student from any other program. So it's a very unique program indeed that gives you both an advanced outlook into the theoretical concepts and an in-depth view into other aspects of civil aviation as well. Another very good reason to choose HKUST is because of the facilities it offers. So if you're doing the individual research project, like I mentioned before, you get access to world-class laboratories. And as a student, you get access to amazing study spaces and a great 24/7 library. And of course, HKUST has its own wind tunnel facilities, and some aerodynamic students will actually get the chance to do some practicals here as well. So there's actually a smaller wind tunnel and a larger wind tunnel, and here you can see a portion of that large wind tunnel next to one of the researchers at the facility. So you can see it's actually quite big. For those of you who like to keep fit, there's a a fully equipped gym with an amazing view of the ocean and other sporting facilities like pools and a track. And of course, HKUST has some of the best dining options I have seen. So there's something for everyone, from the university's own cafeterias to international fast food chains to even fine dining options. So apart from this, the campus also has its own medical center, hair salon, supermarkets, and banks. So it's a very self-sufficient place. And as an international student living far away from home, I was very thankful for the services offered by the Counseling and Wellness Center as well. Finally, and I think it's one of the main reasons I chose HKUST was for its location. So Hong Kong is one of the most vibrant places in the world, without a doubt. And I had always wanted to live and experience the diverse culture in Hong Kong. And I must say, I thoroughly enjoyed my time there. And most of all, the location of the beautiful and idyllic Clearwater Bay campus is second to none. Nothing beats glancing out the library window while doing complicated aerodynamic sums and seeing this. So I actually shot that on my way to the library, and I just think that view is just truly beautiful. So at HKUST, not only was I able to study the subject I'm most passionate about at a world-ranking university with the best facilities, but most importantly, I had the opportunity to make lifelong friends from places across the world. So from France, China, Macau, India, and Australia, to name a few. So my time at HKUST was undoubtedly one of the happiest periods of my life. The quality of the education and the recognition of this degree program is honestly second to none. And deciding to do my master's in aeronautical engineering at HKUST is and will be one of the best decisions that I have made. Thank you for listening.